what's this going to mean to me? AIG owes me money, or what's going to happen? And so there was a worry that it would destroy the whole financial system. This was big enough to cause everybody to pull back. And if everybody pulls back, then the business world stops. It would be like a stampede for the exits. Everyone hears AIG goes under, and so many people do business with AIG. They decided it was intolerable. And so the government came up with the money massively and quickly. If you remember the story, Henry Paulson, who was Treasury Secretary, first went to Congress asking for a blank check. He didn't say to bail out AIG, but that's what he did. He got a sort of a blank check from Congress because the story was told, Paulson told the story that if we don't do this, if we let company, he didn't say AIG, he actually asked for the TARP money before the AIG bailout. But he said, if we don't do something to prevent a collapse, we could have the Great Depression again. And so nobody liked to hear that, but they believed him, and they didn't know what else to do. And so they allowed the TARP money, and they allowed the Federal Reserve and to bail out this company. But some people misunderstand what this, in fact,